Why buy your next vehicle from Community Motors of Mason City?
Great service from 3 locations: Community in Monroe, Community Motors Westside, and Mason City Ford. 10 new franchises and hundreds of vehicles to give you more choices. Plus, Community offers an exclusive 3-3 warranty on pre-owned vehicles and 10-year, 250,000-mile warranty on new. Need more reasons why? Stop or visit CommunityAutoGroup.com.
Because nobody beats a community deal. Nobody.
2, 3. This is going to be our 12th New Year's Eve bash here at the North Iowa Youth Center. And we're going to be celebrating 2013 with all the young kids to have a place to go to hang out. They'll be provided a whistle, a horn, beads, a lot of goodies, pizza, snacks, Christmas candy. We have a lot of door prizes that were provided by Star Auto Body, Corporate Farmer, Honda, North Iowa Bus Company, and all the people. We're going to have Levy the Great here at 9:30 to kick it off, and then the dance starts at 10. And we also got a dance contest coming up at 10:30.
Okay.
So we're going to bring in New Year's Eve right here at the North Iowa Youth Center, and it only costs $10.
$10. What time should kids start showing up, Regan?
Doors open up at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
And 9:30 is Levy the Great.
Okay.
And we drop the ball at midnight, and they'll have a little drink to tip it off and blow the horn, and we're making our own confetti right now, and we're going to bring in the New Year's Eve.
Yep.
We're going to have a party right here.
It looks like a party. You've got all kinds of materials and stuff you're putting together here, and you've got volunteers working here, and it looks like it's going to be a great party.
And we're going to have a great time. So we want to thank everybody here in North Iowa for 2012 that provided for us the donations, your contributions, your volunteer service. Our board of directors, we want to thank everybody who helped us out in 2012. So we want to wish everyone a Happy New Year in 2013.
Fantastic, and we hope you have a great party here, and we'll look for bigger and better things in 2013 from you, right?
That's what we're looking for. You know, everything's bigger and better.
Fantastic.
We just want to make sure we help one kid put a smile on a kid's face, and we want to change try to change the world, but we can't do it all, so we'll do it one kid at a time.
Well, we appreciate what you're doing for the community as well.
Thank you so much, Matt, for all you do.
Absolutely.
Thank you for your support.
Absolutely.